welcome to Susie's Unique Designs. Today we're going to be making this adorable turkey wreath. Isn't this just cute? Okay, we're going to take 4 colors of Deco mesh, cut them together at 22 inches. Use a rotary cutter and a self-healing mat. We're going to make 9 cuts because we have 18 twist ties on our work wreath frame. Okay, so we got all of these together, got them all cut. Now we'll add them to the frame in bundles. And you're going to take 3 of each color, alternating back and forth, and put them each bundle into a twist tie all around. And at the bottom, we'll save some to put the brown Deco mesh. These are the bundles. They're so fun, very vibrant and beautiful. And this is how our turkey turned out. Isn't it cute? It's so adorable. And we're just gonna add a bow at the bottom. And here's our bow. Isn't that cute? And this is how our cute little turkey turned out. Isn't he adorable? Come back to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.